Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to learn about what are the various deduction under chapter 6a under the subject direct tax. We are going to learn about what are the various deductions which are need to be learned by all of you all, and what is the simplest trick to learn them. Okay, now this is a very important topic for all the TYBMS student because in solving all the lengthy sums, okay, deduction will always be there. Okay, so what is the trick to learn all the way, all the sections which are available? Okay, we'll see that one by one. So let us see what are the various deduction and how you can easily learn them. Okay, now there are 8 important deduction that need to be learned under the chapter 6a. Number 1 is under section 80C. Remember the alphabet, okay? C stands for contribution. Contribution is like you are making a payment towards some investment or you are buying something, you are contributing. Under that usually includes your provident fund, NSC, FD for 5 years, mutual fund, etc. Remember the maximum limit of 80C is you can ask for a deduction up to 1,50,000. The second is section 80 triple C. Triple C mein only one thing will be there, that is pension plan of LIC. Okay. Now remember section 80C plus 80 triple C together should be 1,50,000. You cannot ask for amount more than 1,50,000. The total deduction that can be asked under 80C and triple C together or individually is also 1,50,000. Next comes is section 80D. Remember D for Dawai. Dawai means something related to mediclaim. Okay, so D is for Dawai. For self, spouse, child, parent, 25,000 rupees ka deduction you can get, and if there is a senior citizen you can get extra 25,000 rupees. Just remember mediclaim has to be paid by check only, then you can ask for this particular deduction. Next is 80 double D. Double D ke liye remember the word dardnak dependent. Okay, there is a diseased person, a very dangerous disease, and he is a dependent person. So if there is a dependent handicap in the family, then if the severity is less than 80%, you can get 75,000 ka deduction, and if it is more than 80%, you will get 1,25,000 ka deduction. The severity level will be mentioned in the question. 80EE is for education. 100% of interest value will be deducted from the loan that you have taken for higher education. 80 TTA and TTB, both of them are basically for saving bank. Remember, A is for normal people. Okay, you get a limit of 10,000 rupees. TTB is for senior citizen and you get a deduction up to 50,000. And last is 80U. U stands for you. Okay, if you yourself are handicapped, then again, if your severity level is less than 80%, you get 75,000 ka deduction. If it is more than 80%, you will get 1,25,000 ka deduction. So these are the various deductions that you have to keep in mind. 80C is for contribution, D is for Dawai mediclaim, double D is Darnak dependent, E is education, TTA, B is saving account interest, one is for normal, one is for senior citizen, and U is for you yourself. If you are a handicap, then you can get that particular deduction.